the tutorial in English or in Tagalog?
Editing.
Editing. Very good. Okay, so yung tutorial na to, straight to the point na tayo regarding sa brake sensors of Nami electric scooters. Okay? How to replace, how to adjust. Yun lang, yun na naman. Yun ang dalawa, no? So, why do we want to replace or adjust the brake sensors? This is the reason why, ha? Okay, pag lumabas yan, yung exclamation point, it means kailangan i-adjust or i-replace yung brake sensors. Okay, first step, we need to isolate the problem. So, meron tayong dalawang brake levers, meron tayong left side and right side. Kailangan natin i-isolate if sa left side ba or sa right side yung may problema. Paano natin gagawin yun, okay? So, itong brake levers tawag dito, yan yung nagkukos, which is yung brake sensors. Ito yan, yung ilalim. Yung flimsy, ito yung oil line. Huwag natin gagalawin to, okay? Huwag gagalawin. This is the oil, ito yung oil line for the hydraulic brakes. Ito naman yung electronic line for the e-brakes. So, ito yung gagalawin natin. So, first step, isolate yung problema. If it's nasa left side or nasa right side. So, number one, follow nyo lang yung line. Follow through the line, no? You want to unplug the connection. This one. Okay. Just pull it. Okay? Against each other. There you go. Step 2, check if the exclamation point is gone. Pag natanggal yung exclamation point, ibig sabihin, yun yung may problema. Na-isolate nyo agad. So in this case, yung left side yung may problema. Okay? Ito yung kailangan natin i-adjust or kailangan natin palitan. Okay? So now, we want to plug it again. Okay? Tip of advice. May arrow yan. Nasaan yung arrow? Yan. There's an arrow. You need to follow. Bars, bitch! There. My friend, tip, ha? There's an arrow you need to follow when plugging it back in. Just like that, okay? Make sure the arrow is aligned, no? So, we isolated at the left side. Now, we need the Allen tool. So, first, we will need a Allen tool. So, we have a multi-tool like this. You need 2mm Allen tool or Allen screwdriver. 2mm, okay? Take note. Yeah. So, first step to adjust is loosen up. There. The Allen bolt under the brake lever. So, always remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, okay? Turn clockwise if you want to tighten. Turn counterclockwise if you want to loosen. So, let's do lefty-loosey first. So, we can adjust the placement of this, alright? Next, we need a open wrench 8mm size. 8, okay? So, we can adjust this one, okay? So, here's the concept. Pag lumalabas yung exclamation point, it means yung sensor masyadong malapit dito. May magnet kasi dyan. Okay? Na-activate niya, basically, yung e-brakes. So, ang gusto natin is itong e-brakes, itong brake sensor is lumayo. Lumayo sa magnet. So, andito yung magnet. Andyan yan sa loob ng brake levers. Ang gusto natin, lumayo to. Okay? Okay? Kindly demonstrate. So, ang gusto natin gawin is counterclockwise. Yan yung adjustment, okay? After nyo luwagan to, which is yung lock, adjust nyo naman to counterclockwise. To see if nawala. Sa case na to, nawala. Test natin. Fully working na. It means tamang adjustment na, nasa tamang placement na siya, nasa tamang sweet spot na yung position ng brake sensors natin, okay? After nyo i-adjust, ilalak nyo na lang to. Righty-tighty naman tayo. Okay? If gumana yung adjustment, okay na. Pwede nyo na i-close tong video na to. If hindi gumana yung adjustment, replacement ang gagawin natin. So yan, as you can see, gumana. If hindi gumana, kailangan yung palitan tong brake sensor. Doon na tayo sa part 3 ng tutorial. So these are the brake sensors we provide. Kaya ganda sa motor. Kompleto tayo sa parts and after sales service, no? So step 1, i-close nyo muna yung unit. Step 2, remove this. Step 3, loosen this up again sa ilalim. Loosen up the lock. Step 4, remove totally. So lefty-loosey lang tayo, counterclockwise. Insert the new brake sensors. Wait lang. Take note again. There's a groove here. You need to follow in the hole, okay? There's a special groove. Take note of that when inserting it in. So step 5, insert the brake sensors in. Step 6, timplahin. I-adjust. Hanapin yung sweet spot. Okay? Look for the sweet spot. Then, plug it in. Step 7. Step 8, testing. As you can see, the e-brakes are not working. Okay? So, when I press the brakes, the exclamation point must shown. Okay? Must be shown. So now, to clockwise ulit. Kailangan natin ilapit yung sensor papunta sa magnet kasi hindi niya nade-detect every time i-press ko yung brake levers. So, trial and error tong method na to. There you go. It's working already, as you can see. Then after the adjustment, please don't forget to tighten this at the bottom, okay? Tighty. Alright, that sums up our tutorial. I hope you understand and it's pretty clear. Hey, my friend John, is it clear?
So clear.
Just like a shampoo? Up here. For watching the video. If interested kayo, contact number and address namin andyan ulit sa screen. Bam! Alright, dito sa motor electric vehicle, we value after sales service. Napakadami nating technicians dito that will cater your needs. Alright? Everybody, a bit away! Let's go!
A bit away!
Woo! Okay, if hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe, kindly subscribe. Pindutin nyo lang yung mukha ko para mag-subscribe. If gusto nyo pa manood, madami tayong videos dito sa YouTube channel natin. Dito sa gilid ko. Pwede kayo mamili. Ayan, sige, hintayin ko kayo. Pumili lang kayo, no? Manood lang kayo na manood. No? Okay? Pagpindot na ba kayo? Hindi pa? Sige, hintayin ko. Okay na ba? Okay, sige. A bit away.